Mr. Fox 23 here. Today I'm going to be doing the non-stop Nyan Cat challenge everywhere. Hope you enjoy and let's get started and let's Nyan it. And I'm going to be doing the Nyan Cat challenge on Animal Jam and hope you enjoy. So let's get straight in. And also I'm going to be doing the Nyan Cat challenge on Sky High as well. And yeah, so let's get started and let's go into the game. It might be a little bit slow once I get into Animal Jam. Okay, Sky High. I just killed a Nyan Cat. Okay, Sky High. Let's go. Go. And don't you dare destroy me, Nyan Cat. I am going to do this. Come on. And don't be so slow. Okay, come on. No. Please don't. Oh, this is very frustrating. I imagine how Apari feels like when he did a Nyan Cat challenge. I want him to jump Sky High. I don't want to die. Oh my god, Nyan Cat, go away. Oh no, the phantom. Go away, Nyan Cat. Go away. I don't want to die so soon. It's like Nyan Cat and the phantoms are teamed up and then like they destroy you. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is glitching so much. I'm still even playing this. Oh my god! No! Nyan Cat. I killed you. Again. Let's see if I can get to the highest point. Yeah, the colors become bigger. Become thinner in that. Go away, Nyan Cat. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna die. Oh, this thing is... this thing, my computer is just glitching so much. Go away. Okay. Let's go. Perfect. It's not glitching. I think I'll just go straight up and don't move. Oh. Well, straight up didn't work. Come on. I can do it. Just don't move for a second. Okay, now move. Go away. Nyan. I will get my revenge, Nyan Cat. Oh, and you will see and go away. No! Okay. Well, now this thing isn't glitching so much. Come on. Go. Yes, I'm doing it. You can't destroy me now, Nyan Cat, can you? Okay, now come on. Oh, no, it's glitching. I just feel exactly... No! Yeah. Okay, 2 more rounds, guys. Okay, that's all. Do an achievement. No, move. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Come on. You can do this, Mr. Fox 23. The Nyan Cat won't beat you. The Nyan Cats won't beat you. Oh, they just did. Wow. No. You go away. Go away. I don't want to see you, fat Nyan Cats. Okay. Okay. If I fail this one, then I'll be going on to the next one, and then that's it, I guess. These Nyan Cats just keep on beating me, like as like also like Nyan Cats the wolf. What? Oh, okay. This is the last go, guys, and then I'm ending the video for today. Go, 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 Mr. Fox. You can do it. Maybe not. Oh, she cannot do it. She can't do it. Okay. Okay, that should be it for today to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy, and so thank you guys for watching for today's video. Not a lie. Oh my god, man. So don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.